Dandadan Season 2. Epic start so far. We got this cool fight between Evil Eye and Okarun. Okarun wins and strikes a victorious hero pose, fixing the glasses. So the glass is probably the trickiest part of all these drawings of Okarun. So his profile, more or less, looking that way, just fixing his glasses. So I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I'm going to start about halfway with the nose along the halfway line this way. It doesn't have to be like perfectly centered, but you could do it portrait either. So we start with an L or an upside down 7, depending on your interpretation of shapes. Okay. So the rim of his glasses comes over his nose here. It goes behind the frame of the glasses, but we will just draw things in as we see them like this first, right? So it's kind of a bumpy thing coming over the nose, curves over. And then you have that little piece of plastic that sits on the bridge of the nose when you wear glasses. That. Okay. His brow on this side comes up, kind of just gently curving up. And we have choices. We could draw the circular glasses first or the eye first. Maybe eye easier. So like just across, like it probably starts above this little oval thing right here actually. So we go like up there, diagonal, and then across, kind of flat. Okay. And then the back comes down, sharp angle. Again, sort of down to there. And then the bottom, a little bit of a curve to it back, but you could go a sharp angle again if you wanted. It doesn't have to be curved. There's a slight little curve on it. And that's the shape for the eye. He's looking sort of that way, but like up from underneath, right? So it's like an intense sort of half circle. It's like kind of like Dragon Ball. Like so. And then this little sort of pupil that we can see, just kind of looking up and to the left over there a bit. Alrighty. So, eyebrow above, so like here. This goes underneath his hair, but they're kind of like square sort of eyebrows. And then we have the shadow around the eye. So this is light sort of frame that comes around his eye. It's normally red, I think. And the red line comes around. It's kind of black in this one, but we'll do it like this anyway. this circle, it's kind of like an oval coming out from here, cuts off a bit of his eye, right? So it goes this way, an ellipse or an oval, just going around. It's kind of tricky now to get this, so take your time, hit pause if I'm moving too fast. So it's like ovular, kind of like an egg shape, or a circle sort of squished or turned on its side, kind of. All right, so like that. And it has an edge to make it look a bit three-dimensional. So what that means is you go sort of starting here, you do a line coming out from it, and then it goes down, right? Underneath, kind of stops here. Right, and then there's like the line that goes from here to the ear doesn't seem to be there, which probably means they're broken, which would make sense given the fight. So you just have a little sort of box here, but no sort of line that goes that way. His other like rim of his glass is being held by his hand, so we might do the hand first maybe, and then do the other rim of the glasses. Don't know if we can see his eyebrow there. It's probably just glasses actually. So shape for his face, we'll do that. So we go down this way, and then we meet chin, and then chin meets jaw. Jaw goes up to ear, which is kind of in line maybe with his nose, sort of there, just if you're wondering how high up to go. It's probably like, and then it goes underneath sort of his hair, kind of here, wavy hairline. And we can just see maybe some ear lines in there. So his mouth kind of downturned, just unimpressed. And then that red line comes down from here. Again, this is not drawn in with a line, it's done with a color. So it's up to you if you want to use a line to do that, or just like your red color, you know. So, right, so like his fingers are in here, right, but we get his hairline, sort of the middle of his hair, like a little V here. You get like some of his hairline going that way and that way, either side of the middle of his forehead, because like the nose is the middle, right? So there, like his glasses are in here somewhere. We gotta wait for the hand for that. So then there's all these hair spikes, wavy, sort of crinkly hair spikes. And this will go probably down behind his hand here somewhere. Da, da, da. So his forehead is like here. There's a gap there because of his hand. Right, we'll get the rest of the hair, crinkly hair spikes in. It's all just wavy with some sort of texture lines and stuff on. I'll just go the whole way around. Sort of like kind of Super Saiyan, sort of going back this way. Kind of wavy. It's like if Super Saiyan was a Halloween character. Back up here. Da, 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 this way. Dun, and then there's one in here. Just sort of bumping and waving around. Right, that. The back of his neck is here. The front of his neck, I think, is just like Adam's apple, sort of there, kind of. And then we're kind of looking down at his neck, so it goes that way. So his chest comes that. This neck muscle always goes into the center of your chest. So like the other chest muscle goes up that way, much smaller than the other side. We can just see the front of his torso, sort of here, bumping down, very skinny, sort of curved lines like this. Yeah, so we'll finish this part of his body, and then we'll add we'll finish with the hand and just fill in the glasses then. So shoulder, very skinny. Bicep and arm sort of hanging down here. And then his back goes this way into his hips, which meets his pants or his trousers there. Da-da-dum-bum-bum. Sorry about the singing. I can't help it. What else? Abs, right? So 6-pack, in fairness to him. Low body fat. Definitely sub 10%. Very difficult to achieve. Okarun, what's your secret? And then I don't eat. So then here, stomach. I mean, if he did weights, like, he'd be jacked. So, is that what we got? I think that's what we got for his body. And there's like this black thing that's on him. It's kind of like flame. Very, very jaggedy. Alrighty, so hand up to here, down to his elbow. So his elbow is there. And this is his forearm. Okay, very thin. Connect the forearm to the shoulder. Just like that. Just like a line there. So the back of the hand comes all the way up into the forehead. So it goes like up this way, right about to this level, and then we get like fingers starting here. So there's a cluster, it looks like, of 3 fingers. It just looks like a claw, sort of like mittens there at the minute, but I will divide it up into fingers. So then the palm of his hand is like here, and we get a bit of a thumb. Holding on to the lens of his glasses. So finger number 1 like there, and a fingernail. Finger number 2. Our hands are always hard, right? So you normally have 2 knuckles, 3 segments. See the way my finger bends? So 1 segment, 2 segment, 3 segment, divided by 2 knuckles. The top curves that way. This curves in and up. See? Tricky enough. I know. Fingers are never easy. They're always difficult. They never get easy. Right, so the lens of his glasses is in here. So we can just see like this curved line. Kind of like that. And then it like comes in there, and then the outside part of it is like here. And then we can just kind of see his cheekbone. In there. And then he's got like, he's been pounded to oblivion, so he's got like scratches and stuff all on his face, but it's probably blood and stuff. Does he have nipples? I think he does. Anyway, they're kind of just a shadow of nipples, not really full. Well, that's our boy Okarun from Dandadan. Hope it's helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.